Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It has been a hot minute since I last posted, Christmas of 2016. But I have been keeping up with my makeup Instagram. I don't know if you guys follow me on there, but as of recently, I haven't really been able to do any really cool, like, eyeshadow looks. I just haven't really had a reason to, I guess. So it's mostly been like new makeup that I've acquired, or like my attempt at nail art. But I'm going to be trying to get back into this YouTube thing, just because when I was doing it all those years ago, I was having a lot of fun with it, and hopefully some people found it helpful. If not, maybe it's just fun. But yeah, I think I'm also going to be trying to do some fun makeup videos on TikTok, but we'll see how that goes because I'm old now and I'm a little bit technology impaired. But anyway, today's makeup tutorial is just my everyday makeup. It's super easy, not too many products involved. What I'm noticing is that it's fairly waterproof, but, well, okay, maybe not waterproof, maybe more like water resistant, sweat resistant. I hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see. I have a couple of things that I'm having on tap to film, like different pictures or things that will inspire my looks. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. You know how like drag queens use glue sticks to blur out their eyebrows? I sort of do the same thing, but I'm not trying to cover them. I'm just trying to prime the hairs because mine don't do what I want them to do, of course. So I'm just taking the primer and putting it all throughout. Sort of like pushing them upwards. Then I will take my Brow Luxe Precision Brow Pencil. I use the shade Coffee. Take the spoolie side first. Brush through my eyebrow hairs. Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow in, I think I'm in shade 5, maybe shade 6, I'm not really sure. Then I take that and I brush that through my brow hairs. Then I'm going to take my Brow Luxe pencil again. It's got sort of that angled shape. And then I just fill in anything else I see necessary. Then I take the spoolie side again and brush through one more time. So then I take the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. This one is from the Desi Perkins like little set that she did with them, so that's why it's in a cute pink color. And you just brush that upwards through the hairs. Okay, so now the eyebrows are completed. So going back with the Milk Blur Stick, we're just going to put that under the eyes. They crease pretty easily there. Oh, my nose and definitely my forehead. And then I sort of just buff it out with this finishing powder brush from Miniso. Just kind of smooth everything out, tap it in. Make sure it's sort of all even. Now we're going to go in with concealer. I'm using the Don't Settle concealer from Kaja in Fortune Cookie. I usually dab it on my blemishes first so it's more concentrated. And then I just do 3 little strokes under each of my eyes. Then using the buffing brush from Real Techniques, I tap that in, sort of buff it out. A lot of the time I'll use my beauty blender for this too, but sometimes I'm too lazy to get up and go wet it in the bathroom, so I just use brush. So I suppose it's a little unorthodox, but to sort of set all that, I'm using the same brush that I used to buff in my primer and the Select Sheer Press Powder from MAC in the shade NC30. I'm really running out. Gotta get more. But I just tap that in. Where I put my concealer. Nothing too heavy. A little over my nose. Just make sure that I set that, otherwise my glasses tend to slide right down my nose. Blush and highlight. I haven't really been doing a lot of like contour, especially when I'm, you know, just doing a daily thing. So this is the Tarte Cheek Stain in Blush, I believe. This is a sample that I got. So it just looks like this. And just sort of dab it, smudge it on. It looks like a lot, but then when you blend it out, it goes pretty sheer, so just want to make sure the color shows up. And yes, I use the same buffing brush. I take my Milk Makeup highlighter in Lit and I put this on the high points of my face. And this one I just blend out with my fingers. Using my ring finger around the more delicate skin. Okay, so now for mascara, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my Uemura eyelash curler. And for mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof. I find that I need the waxes that make it waterproof, I guess, to hold the curl of my eyelashes. And I get really bad smudging underneath my eyes from mascara and stuff if I don't use waterproof. I don't tend to apply it on my bottom eyelashes just because the smudging would be much, much worse if I did. And then to finish up the face, I'm taking this Milk Makeup Oil Lip Stain in Feelz. There's also like a more red one and then like a lighter pink one, but I like the berry shade because it gives like sort of natural but a little bit of color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see me film, either through Instagram or in the comments section below. I am definitely not a professional makeup artist, but I will try my best, experiment, and have some fun with it. I am still trying to figure out whether I liked filming it this way, speaking while I was doing my makeup, or if it's going to be better to record the footage and then put a voiceover over top. So please bear with me in that aspect, but I hope to see you in my next video. I'm wearing my Peanuts comic shirt today. It's from Uniqlo. My dad loves Peanut comics and therefore passed the love of it on to me. It's really ironic though because I'm allergic. I take, oh God. Then I take the I don't know what this is called. All the writing rubbed off. I will find it. I think my sister is calling me. Yeah?